Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Lady English, the podcast where we help you learn English through real conversations and fun topics. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Callum. Today's episode is all about something we all have in common, our daily routine. Whether you're learning English for school, for work, or just for fun, today's episode will teach you useful vocabulary, natural expressions, and everyday phrases that native speakers use all the time.
And the best part? You can listen, repeat, shadow, and improve your fluency just by following along with us. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's start our day together in English. So Callum, let's start from the beginning. What time do you usually wake up?
Well, I try to wake up at 6:30. Sometimes I hit the snooze button. What about you?
I wake up around 7. The first thing I do is stretch and drink a glass of water. It helps me feel awake.
That's healthy. The first thing I do is check my phone, which is not so healthy. And I know many of our listeners do the same.
Oh yes, but here's a useful expression for everyone listening. The first thing I do in the morning is... You can finish it with drink water, check my phone, make my bed, brush my teeth.
So, Rachel, what do you usually have for breakfast?
I normally eat oatmeal with fruit. It gives me energy. What about you?
I keep it simple, just coffee and toast. By the way, learners, notice how we say, I usually eat, I normally have. These are great phrases for talking about habits.
Exactly. And remember, we use the present simple tense for routines. I wake up, I eat, I go, I finish.
Okay, Rachel, after breakfast, what happens next?
I get ready, choose my outfit, and leave home at about 8:30. I usually take the bus because traffic is crazy in the mornings.
Same here. I commute by train and believe me, it's packed every single day.
Here's a good word for our learners. Commute. It means traveling between your home and work or school.
So once you get to work, what does your day look like?
Well, I start by checking my emails. Then I plan my lessons for my students. I usually teach until lunchtime.
Sounds busy. My morning is full of meetings. I talk to my team, check my tasks, and start working on my projects.
Notice how Callum used words like tasks and projects. These are common work-related words you should practice.
Do you eat lunch early or late?
I eat around 1 p.m., usually something light like a salad or soup.
I eat at 12 because I get hungry early. My favorite is pasta. Listeners, here are two useful phrases. I'm hungry. My favorite is... Use these to describe your food preferences.
What do you usually do in the afternoon, Callum?
I continue working until about 5. Sometimes I take a short break to walk outside.
Breaks are important. My afternoons are usually for editing videos and answering students' messages.
Evenings are my favorite part of the day. I cook dinner, watch a show, and sometimes read.
Same here. After dinner, I like to relax. I sometimes study, plan my next videos, or watch YouTube.
Listeners, pay attention to these evening-related verbs. Cook, relax, watch, study, read.
Before bed, I usually take a shower and write a short to-do list for the next day.
I meditate before sleeping. It helps me clear my mind.
Nice! And we both usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
And that's our daily routine.
Thanks for listening to today's episode on Lady English Channel. If you want to improve your English, try describing your daily routine using the expressions we used today.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us what time you wake up.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.